When everything feels like it's falling apart, remember waterfalls are made from falling too. Like the waterfalls that never stop flowing, your strength never truly fades. Every drop of struggle builds your river of power. Even when life feels heavy, let it flow, because your persistence will carve valleys of greatness no storm can erase. You were never meant to stay in the valley you were born to climb. Rise higher, even when the world feels steep. Every step you take echoes courage. The path may disappear in the clouds, but keep climbing, for the summit is not just above you. It's the person you become on the way up. Don't rush your growth. Even the waterfall began as a single drop. Sometimes success is not about speed, but serenity. Like water that shapes stone, patience creates wonders. Keep moving forward quietly, gracefully, and soon you'll see how far your gentle flow has taken you.